This video will take you through the updates made to THIS graphs and pages in OASIS 23. THIS 23 allows users to create up to 1,024 graphs per session, which enables users to display and analyze large sets of results, supporting more detailed interrogation and reporting of simulation data. THIS can now also support up to 1,024 pages in a single session. Previously, the limit for both graphs and pages was 32. Additionally, the maximum number of graphs on a single page is now capped at 64, though 32 remains the default out of the box. A page's existence is no longer predicated on it containing a graph, meaning that pages can be created and deleted as needed. Pages can now be assigned a user-defined name, making them easier to keep track of, and these names can be referenced in automated processes, including via the JavaScript API. In a THIS session, click the Graphs tool to open the Graph Setup panel. THIS now supports more than 32 graphs and can create up to 1,024 graphs. The default maximum number of graphs per page is 32. When this limit is exceeded, a new page is automatically created and the graphs are added in the new page. Newly created graphs can be added to the current page or to a new page. The Active Graphs panel shows the number of graphs currently active on the current page. Users can toggle graph numbers to change their active status. Graph selection can be applied either to all graphs or only to graphs on the current page, based on the selected scope in the drop-down. Deleting multiple graphs is now made easy by providing a graph list. Selecting graphs from the list and clicking on Apply deletes the selected graphs. Clicking on the Layout button opens the Page Layout tools. Here, you can define settings for all pages, current page and new pages by selecting the appropriate radio buttons. In Current Page, you can set the page layout using these radio buttons. You can change the max number of graphs for tall and wide layouts in this text box. The default value is 32 and maximum value is 64. In this bottom section, THIS provides a graph list. When you click on the drop-down, it provides a panel to remove or replace the particular graph. Clicking on Apply removes the graph from the page, and selecting a graph from list replaces the graph. The Add Graph drop-down provides a panel with graphs that are available in this session. Selecting a graph from the list and clicking Apply adds the graph to the page. In All Pages mode, you can set the layout for all pages. Selecting a different layout and clicking on Update button applies the layout to all pages. This action opens a confirmation dialog to update the page layout for all pages. This confirmation is required because graphs may be hidden if the number of allowable graphs in the selected layout is less than that in the current layout. Hidden graphs can be restored by adding them in current page mode. New pages can be added by clicking on the plus button in the top bar. THIS can now have up to 1,024 pages. All Pages mode also contains options to modify page names. Users can add page names in this section. The page name for the current page is displayed in the top bar. Each page name must be unique and certain reserved names, such as all, are not permitted. The Page Edit panel is also used for deleting pages. Page number buttons can be toggled to select or deselect pages. Clicking Delete deletes the selected pages. Users can open the Advanced Page Layout tool using this button. In the panel, the new pages can be added using the plus button. The Layout button under All updates the layout for all pages. The Layout button under a page number updates the layout for that specific page. Graphs can be removed or replaced using the drop-down. Graphs can be added to a page by using the Add drop-down. The Page drop-down also provides an option to delete the page. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.